Bàbá olóyin, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again. Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì, Táńtọ́lọ́run, Bàbá Olóyin gan. Bàbá Olóyin original. I'm staying at Yesi Ọ̀tà. Bàbá Olóyin bus stop. Bàbá Olóyin bus stop, Yesi Ọ̀tà. The program you are watching today is from Kini Show TV. Kini Show. And the phone number is on the screen. 0810 84 31 336. 0810 84 31 336. You can also reach me on another number. 080 54 74 9455. 080 54 74 9455. Yes, I am staying at Yesi Ọ̀tà. Bàbá Olóyin bus stop. Bàbá Olóyin bus stop. Very close to Sango Ọ̀tà in Ogun State. In Ogun State. Today, I want to give you another secret. If things are not moving well with you, you are owing people, you are selling, but you don't know what is happening. You always have problems. You either sick or your children get sick. It may be the handiwork of bad people. I don't want to mention. What are you going to do so that you will stop all these problems in your life? Just small thing I will tell you today. Get seated. But before then, don't forget, I publish many books. This is one of them now. Honey as a medicine, where you can see how to use honey. Honey is what I put in the books. You will start how to use honey with coconut water, with salt, with palm oil, with garlic. The only two places where I mention leaves is just where you can only see how to use jute leaves, ewedu, and bitter leaves, ewuro. The rest, how to use honey with small things that you can see in your area. Yes, and this book is most selling books in my book. This book is selling fast. It was released in 2015. Those of you that you bought 50 ways of using honey, you will understand what I mean. Because 50 ways of using honey, I had another 20 ways of using honey to make it 70 ways of using honey. But the new title is Honey as a Medicine. Yes. And this is African Power Part 1. In this African Power Part 1, many things you can see inside this book. Yes, if they pepper you, how to remove the pepper from your body. Retentive memory, I put it inside this book. African Power Part 1. African Power Part 1. Many things are inside this book. Orange trees normally stay inside bush. It is human beings that labor themselves to find it. How to use orange peas, a person, is inside this book. If you do it, you will always see money. And this is African Power Part 2. Yes, if you always collect spiritual products from herbalists, spiritualists, pastors, prophets, and prophetess, it don't work. You always complain. It doesn't work. Maybe witches and wizards have already blocked your hands. Buy African Power Part 2. In this African Power Part 2, if you have a soap that have been working, you are seeing money, but the soap stop working suddenly. What are you going to put on the soap so that the soap will start working again? The solution is in African Power Part 2. This is African Power Part 3. How to use python head. Anywhere the python sit, the food normally meet each there. Your luck will shine. People will patronize you. They find you wherever you are. By African Power Part 2. Yes. African Power Part 3. African Power Part 3 and me. African Power Part 3. How to use python head. You have a son or daughter that is smoking wee. You want him or her. If you have a son or daughter that is smoking, drinking drugs, how to make him or how to stop? Buy African Power Part 3. You will thank God. You need water. You pray on the water. What are you going to say on the water? This year. The second day, you go and carry the water from outside. Put it inside keg or bottled water. Put it inside freezer. Let that boy or girl be drinking it. He or she will change for better. Those who bought it, they're introducing it to other people. African Power Part 3. Yes. Now back to what I earlier said. If things are not working, you're always sick, or your children are always sick. Maybe some people are worrying you on the ground. What are you going to do? Get short. If you get the one in nylon, or you get the one that they have already tied in local market. If you are lucky to get that one, it's good. If you are living with people, you can put it in your four corners, near the surrounding of your building. 4 corners of your room is there. Put cooking salt, like 1 spoon. Put them in each of the corners of your room. That is 4 corners of your room. Put salt inside that places. Yes. And don't forget, when you want to take your bath in the night, put salt inside water to take your bath. In the morning, you can also do that. When you put salt in your bathing water, it doesn't disturb you from using other spiritual soap you want to use. It will even make it to work well. The one you are using in the night, you can use soap. You may not use soap, I tell you. But make sure you just add small salt in your bathing water, mix them together. Some people say they are using shower. And when you are using shower, you can collect water in the bucket now. Then you add salt to it and take your bath with it. And every day you want to shower. Yes. Now. You do this thing. Bad people will not run after you again. You will live a comfortable life. Your children will not sick. You yourself will not sick again. There are some people, they disturb their lives. If you are living in self-contained, or you are living in a place where you can put salt in the surroundings of your building, that one will be very good. Very good. You can do it outside and do it inside. But where you are living and you cannot put it in the surroundings of the house, do the one of your room, 4 corners of your room. Put salt in each corner of the room. By the special grace of God, they will not worry you again. I don't say you should not use other medicine, but that one will save you. At least you will see changes in your life by the special grace of God. Don't forget, some people will be asking for the book. This is Honors in Medicine, 5,000 naira. African Power Part 1, 5,000 naira. African Power Part 2, 10,000 naira. African Power Part 3, 20,000 naira. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Olúwa gbọ́ ó sì dá mi lóhùn. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Olúwa gbọ́ ó sì dá mi lóhùn. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Yes. Those of you that were giving me money, I can't do without thanking you. God will continue to bless you. Especially one sister, amen, from US. Anytime I post video like this, she will give money to me to help my monetization. Super thanks, or what do you call it? Super thanks. YouTube thanks you. Some people are also doing that. But this auntie, God will say amen to your prayers. Amen to your prayers. Auntie, amen. I never see this sister in my life. I never. Even yesterday video, she sent money to me on my YouTube. And YouTube They are adding to my monetization. God will continue to bless you and enrich your purse. Those of you that you are giving me money, you will always eat what you like, not just any food. Nítorí ilé máa jẹ ẹni jẹ tẹ̀rí ẹni fẹsẹ̀ ló gbà. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o, I thank you o, ẹ ṣé o. Orí mi máa jẹ ń tẹ́, ẹ̀dá mi máa jẹ ń pupu. Orí mi máa jẹ ń tẹ́, ẹ̀dá mi máa jẹ ń pupu. Lọ́dọ̀ àwọn tó ń fẹ́ mi, àwọn tó ń fẹ́ mi o, wọn ò ní tẹ́ lọ́wọ́ mi láíláí. Orí mi máa jẹ ń tẹ́, ẹ̀dá mi máa jẹ ń pupu. Orí mi máa jẹ ń tẹ́, ẹ̀dá mi máa jẹ ń pupu. Lọ́dọ̀ àwọn tó ń fẹ́ mi, àwọn tó ń fẹ́ mi o, wọn ò ní tẹ́ lọ́wọ́ mi láíláí. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń fẹ́ràn mi, ẹ ní tẹ́ lọ́wọ́ mi láíláí. Agbára Ọlọ́run, ojú ò ní tì yín o. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. I appreciate you. Yes, I get branches in Lagos State. If you go to Bariga, number 36, Ilajeru, Bariga, you can see my products there. At Mushin, go to number 4, Alukolaro Street, Mushin bus stop, Mushin, Lagos State. At Egbe, go and see Yamumbo, number 2, Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market, Agodo Egbe. Or you come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota, very close to Sangota in Ogun State. When you reach Sango under bridge, tell Marua man or Okada man you are going to Yanayesi. You will see them calling Yanayesi, Yanayesi. Tell them you are going to Yanayesi. When you reach Yanayesi, gently cross the road to the other side. You see another Okada people. Tell any of them you are going to see Baba Oloyin at Baba Oloyin bus stop. Yesiota. Monday to Friday, we are always there. Monday to Friday, we are always there. If you like today's program, give me thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. If you have never subscribed, subscribe so that anytime I post a new video, YouTube will notify you. Yes, and don't forget I get another channel. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television on YouTube channel. You can see me there. I loaded different videos there as well. And my son channel, Mr. Lashborn Comedy, Adeusi. Mr. Lashborn Comedy, Adeusi. I did there. I loaded some videos there as well. Till next time, when you see me again, remain blessed.
Ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ni